Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing prolific.com. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a website or a service that will actually pay you to do some tasks. So for example, you just answer some surveys or study, and then they will pay you to actually complete that. So if you're wondering if it's legit or not, we have it here open up on Trustpilot and see that they're rated 4.5 out of 5 stars with 6,000 reviews. So it's actually pretty good. So this person said this is tough. Surveys are good and you can make some pocket money. The problem is the horrible customer service. You're lucky if they respond to you at all. My inquiry was, which was to update my two-factor authorization when 10 days before I got a response. They fixed the problem by removing my verification so I can't log in, blah blah blah. So this is 1 star. So their customer service is bad. This was actually posted 8 hours ago. I've been really happy until 4 months. I had so many great experiences. Blah blah blah. This is so long to read. So this person said 5 stars. Upgrading your review score after you seriously worthwhile. So second time account put on hold. What used to be quite good. So 0 stars. Took my data and wasted my time without explanation. Studies have really broadened my knowledge. Fast, easy money. So it's a bit of a hit or miss in recent reviews. Since the bad reviews are very recent, I would advise you guys to do some more research about this, since from what I've read, this product used to be good, but now they're changing some stuff and turning out to be a really bad company. So right now, guys, if you really want to try this out, they're not a scam, so do not worry. They will not actually get your card information. However, it will take some time for you to make a bit of money, since you might get into competition with a lot of people. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.